Do you want to be energized in the morning? Do you want to feel refreshed and ready to tackle the day? Then I have a perfect video for you. Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Welcome to Sunrise Yoga. Let's stand up in a Namaste. Four corners of your foot pressing them down. Now open your legs about your hip distance. Grab your wrist and stretch to the side. Try to feel stretch on the side of your body and gaze up toward the sky. Make sure to press your feet down to ground yourself. Now switch. Let's stretch to the other side. Back to center. And forward fold. Hug your elbows. And heels pressing them down. Tailbone toward the sky. Use the weight of your head to stretch your back. Inhale halfway, exhale forward, bend your knees slowly, each vertebra roll up. Interlace your hands behind, inhale, exhale, forward fold. Relax your neck. Heels down, tailbone toward the sky. Shift your weight on the ball of your feet. Halfway up, and now place your hands and step back to take baby cobra and to the downward facing dog. And let's repeat from downward to Chaturanga Dandasana. Downward facing dog to Chaturanga. Let's actively repeat this two exercises to energize your body, to enhance your energy and power for the day. Make sure keep breathing. And hug your elbows as you go down. And make sure energetically use your arms and legs. Now let's take downward facing dog. And to the forearm plank. And let's shift your heels forward and backward. Energetically move entire body forward and backward by actively using your heels and toes. Now take downward facing dog and pedal your feet to stretch your calf. Maintain your tailbone hips high toward the sky. And stretch your entire legs. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step between your hands. Keep your hips square. Interlace your hands behind. Open your chest and forward. Make sure to keep your heels to the ground one line. Use your core to maintain this pose. Make sure to keep your knees about 90-degree angle. Firmly, strongly press back heel down. Now release. Inhale, left leg up, step between, back heel down. Interlace your hands behind, widen your collarbones and forward. Use your core to maintain straight line from heel to the crown. Shoulder blades together. Maintain your knee about 90-degree angle. Firmly press the outer edge of back foot down. Keep breathing. Now release. Take downward facing dog. For corner of your feet, press them down. Hip reaching toward the sky. Chest close to your thighs. Keep space between ears and shoulders. And on your toes, step or jump. Inhale halfway, exhale forward. Inhale all the way up, hands heart center. And take Namaste. This sequence is a great way to start your day powerfully and energetically. I recommend you do it every morning. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!